Now I'm climbing the camera. You hiding under the blanket while Leah's over there playing in the water. Yeah. You over here playing in the blanket. You get it in your eye? Miss Leah, leave that hose thing alone. If you want to go play, it's right there. You get the fly? Bubba, you don't want to go play in the splash? Huh? You gonna hide back here? What are you doing, Miss Leah? You guys hiding from the camera in general? What are you doing? This is Mommy's towel, so that she doesn't get soaking wet from you guys. You gonna go play in it? Miss Leah's playing in it. Where is it? I can't even. Oh.